We're back again with the Viking RG-10A ring amplifier installation issue. I'm getting a very odd ring pattern out of one of my lines, the run that goes up into the living room. I suspect that it's some kind of polarity issue perhaps. So I'll go ahead and plug this in just so you can hear what it does. Go ahead and call the telephones. So it's clearly having a problem. Now I just remembered that this particular jack has two telephones plugged into it. It has a cordless phone. Oops. It has a cordless phone, and it also has a come on, tripod, this is not time to act up. It also has a corded phone, which didn't sound like it was ringing. So I'm going to unplug the cordless phone, which passes through the corded phone, and let's see if that changes our behavior. So we've got a dial tone on there. I'll go grab my cell phone and we'll call again. Okay, so that's not working correctly at all. I just realized the camera wasn't filming. So I don't know how much of the video doesn't exist, but what I did was I unplugged the Cortelco phone from the area upstairs. I plugged the cordless phone in directly to the wall, and then I plugged all the phones in down here as they were before, and everything worked properly. So now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to change the cord on that, oh, for heaven's sakes, on that Cortelco phone. Now let's see, because maybe there's like a short in that cord or something. So I mean, I would find that very odd, very, very odd if that's what happened, but sometimes odd things happen. So that's the cord that maybe has a problem. Let's take this phone over here. So we know it rings properly as of now with the cordless phone. So let's take this cord and stick it into here, and let's see what happens. Nope, there's definitely something wrong with this phone. And that's really odd. Huh. That is super odd. So this phone is having some kind of a problem. Let's try it on the quiet ring setting, just for curiosity. I'm glad it's the phone and not anything else. I'm very glad about that, because I can get a new phone. That's not a big deal. If I had to change a cord or something, that would be a fiasco. Nope, it's definitely that telephone. So that's odd. I find that really odd. That's really strange. You know. That's really super strange. So I know I have I have spare 2500 sets floating around. I just gotta find them. In the meantime, I believe I have a black 2500 in the other room, which I will just stick in here for now, because this really needs the pass-through with the way it's connected. So I like the beige one at this desk better cosmetically, but functionality comes before cosmetics. So let me go get this other phone here, which I think I know right where it is. Should be right in here. Yep, here it is. I was going to set this one up in here, but I guess for now I'll set it up in there instead. I don't know what's wrong with that 2500. It's very unusual to have any kind of trouble with those telephones. Actually, the black one looks pretty good there too. I mean, it's a 2500. It's going to look good anywhere, really. So that's back to the way that it was. That's back to the way it was. I just need to move this line over. Connect this stuff up. I'm going to transfer my, well, I guess I won't move the cord over. I could just put another phone over by the couch. Let's see if it rings correctly now. This should be on loud. It's on loud. Beautiful. That's really strange. Alright, that's it. We had a defective 2500 set and it was screwing up the whole line. I bet this one's made in China. Let's see. It's odd though, because it worked fine with until I put the amplifier on, so it's almost like this can't handle the higher voltage. Yeah, it was made in China last year. Well, I don't know what the deal is with this. I have to take a look into that closer, but at least the problem is solved, and I'm glad it was a simple solution.